Hello, beautiful. Today's video, I'm going to teach you to how to make a kissable and sexy lips. Okay, first we need to use the oil-free makeup remover to remove the oil because I just after my lunch, and we clean it first. Shake well before use. Okay, after we clean, then we do a treatment and to remove all the dead skins, and also this helps to reduce the wrinkles. First we clean the oils and dirt on the lips. And also the makeup remover, 9 times, even you don't have makeup, you still need to use the oil-free makeup for to clean your eye area and lips because those areas are very thin and also sensitive. So there's no product can replace it. So it's makeup remover is a must-have product. Okay, after we clean, then I'm introduce you to products here. One is sugar scrub, Shea Sugar Scrub, and the other one is Shea Butter Balm. Hard to focus. Okay, so this is a scrub. Then I apply it with my finger. Okay, just gently scrub it. It smells so good. The smells the citrus and also the sugar are sweet. Okay, gently massage for 1 minute. Then after 1 minute, then I use the cotton pad. The wet cotton pad is now not close to the sink, so I use this cleaner. Okay, not clean, then use another one. Okay. Okay, this is the first step, scrub. And after the scrub, we use the lip balm and to moisturize your lips. Okay, for this one, the best result you use 9 times before bed. You apply on the lips, and the next day you don't need to apply, and your lips look so good. And okay, that's good. Okay, now we are going to apply the lipstick. Before that, I'm going to introduce you a lip primer, which are my favorite product. If you don't have time to do the treatment, so then you use this one, because this is also uh, for the best result to your lip color. And the other one is anti-aging, so it helps you to reduce the wrinkles, and the result is very obvious. Actually. Okay. So today we are going to use. Okay, then this is the lip liner. I use the very red color today because I don't have a lot of makeup on my eyes, and my eye is has light makeup today, so I can afford to have very heavy color on my lips. If your eye already got a very heavy color. So, and then I usually don't recommend use a very heavy lips. Okay, and first you apply the gloss on your lips here. Yeah, and just like a drawing. Okay. Yeah. Like this. Then you just fill up your colors. Okay, today I'm going to apply the red Smolder. Red Smolder. For the best result, use the lip brush. You brush like this. So today I just make a quick video for you guys. Okay, so it's done. So hope you guys like it and it helps you.